Hey guys, Zeta here, and today we're taking a look, and this is the 99th review. So, this is the 2004 Star Wars basic Anakin Skywalker lightsaber, or Luke, or Rey, whichever one. This is the red blade variant, and this is the first lightsaber I ever picked up. Because, if you guys don't know, Darth Vader is my favorite character. And here's a quick size comparison real fast. Scale of how that looks. But yeah, Darth Vader, probably my favorite character ever. And this is the first lightsaber I ever got. So, sculpting, much like this one, is very nice, but the paint, obviously, went through its fair share. Hey, these were both loved. These are my favorite things when I was younger. Got that there. And a problem that I thought was a feature, this came off, and so did this. But then it just flew off one day when I was just flinging the blade out. So I just went ahead and super glued that in. So now it stays there. Now let's take a look at this thing in action. And here is the red-bladed Anakin saber. So, like the Obi-Wan saber in the previous review, you hold this down, and then give it a flick, and you got a nice red blade here. Much like the Obi-Wan saber, this has some dents in it because of how it was loved back in the day. And just like that Obi-Wan saber, these lightsabers are pretty much the best ones out there. If you can't afford those major high-end ones, like the Black Series or even a third-party saber. But these are very durable, not like those cheap ones that came with the costumes, like Halloween costumes or whatever. And just like that Obi-Wan saber, what you can do is you have a clip here, clip that on to your pants or whatever you're wearing, and there you have that. Still trying to figure out how to do the flip or spin thing, but that's it for this review. So like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. You can join my Discord, the link is in the description, and you can follow me on my social medias and check out my other YouTube channels. This has been Zeta saying thanks for watching, and see you on the 100th review. Also, my Kirby sticker arrived. Yay!